Yeah, for my child will be with a very quick. I'm sorry, sir. Sunday politics, Kitwebi. I'm saying, Enra, Deputy Minister, Information Minister, Enam Haji, De Nidina, Pius, Enam Haji, De One, or appeal news file program, so. And said every Saturday be a news file we discuss about issues Ghana be a political social issues. Na issue be a ye man penny and anado Danko Akufo-Addo emre a okoko bie anokra na ye tema anade okobie some of the projects be baby na okoye no ne comment and ne remarks ni mu bi no man penny kan say onombre isu de bibia na project bia na obebia no it's rare for every Ghanaian to see na the project ni nye project bia na existing only on Green Book in Green Book emra na ndisi wo power nzo mkokoye Green Book bi efa projects a omaye na omudi to Green Book ni na book no sebe na omo security media houses ni ade kire project no na man penika so no apensu di oba e project bia na oya obeda na di no odanadi for all Ghanaians to see ya meda asisi abu temamoto we na am so kan sa asem no news file so asem ne pop up no na deputy minister no ewo ho na falesofusu kwa achen so no omumie no say because of COVID-19 say no omumma panelists ni bebre mba bia mienu no manya encounter na host no yes Samson Ladi ahinini I think say oya the juma as a host me enyame and I'm director no on how to do his work but as a matter of fact enyama bi o sometimes host ni bia omo ne ye na enyama bi no omo ana ye omo ade but na I say bias ni enyama bi api but no de yo no a discretion said the open no be the program na mum me so me kire ma adwen say me hwe program na omo ye ne nra na nsem o kana bi can be say yes deputy minister no no ye prepared as a one prepare ye and okoye na who's ni kofa book no man no Green Book no say on kire no say be contract ko a na exist keja ba me chia o bra yi ma me chia on kire no contract ko a o man pani but o man pani asama o kan ye no wan ka say be project a e wo Green Book no mu no exist o man pani was not categorical asema okaye no yebetuma ka figure of speech ana say omampani na sema no wo ka no no o ka say ono ni project dey asam so ka na no kware say enema e wo Green Book ni mu bi no most of them ebi wo ho no ma nyame se enka no kware na ebi wo ho a artistic impression and ebi wo ho kra na project ni kra ya anya nwie a ebesi na kra project no ebi ni Eastern Corridor Road metimi cite one example even the project was not even existed. The project does not even existed. Anyhow, a wakra opa sama mi can ubi anko check it. Oko Green Book me banma yacho. And no akra one of me anama hundida, but one of guys here post to ye. Ubia o Green Book ni bi no opa monko hwe. Na monko akra adenta. Say monko hwe. Say sa project na no say wo Green Book no. If the project is existed, monko for yourself. Once a minister no, said the assembly the pushing is to pinpoint is a way exist at that time. I don't think the minister no over studio no. Now I didn't team baba. Her project be almost a Greater Accra, Oko Green Book number 175, and almost dying be better. So what I say, a dying almost say. A dialogue denta page 175 of the Green Book or say first 6 unit classroom block oko aden san no kan yo first classroom block on say what denta o de mesre mo wo ho no 175 of the Green Book monko hwe sa 175 no na monko ye mo checks say sa dan na mo twa no picture say what denta no if it is in a denta there are so many things omo kan even central region me woni nyina wo ho na time goes on no I'm going to post it one by one because time before the 2016 election, me ankasa myself, I exposed that. What I say because me no obi ema me hint from there. Say asem omo kan nya no kware. Until that time nipa ni twa baby omo say ewo green book nim and o twa pictures bre me. I posted it on my wall. Na yo nwanwa say ebi a minister no oko studio no wan prepare ye na se bia okọ ye de. Mintimi emblem no. Ekwan ye bia host no nso ambushi no. I think say e difficult say obetumi ayi but uye program wi a sabi ya no ma yete akiri no. What I say yanso enim bia yetumi de ba. There are some roads to be a Captain Smart kura wa Adom FM. O ye hu program sa ayi no wo ho. O state in clear it was reported in some of the newspapers ebi o Ghana. Green book nim omo ka se road bi e wo ayi meba. Me pesa me hwehwe sa yi no e wo YouTube. Eti me hu o YouTube wi a metre enkrofo na mo amankohwe wo YouTube oye sa program no na oye no I think say owie ye no no nko na ye it was reported e wo green book nim say sa road no yaye what as na wo green book nim say yaye road ko twitwa pictures bi oba bi di by ko hwe na na nye true enu ti no one o mampani kan sa asem na o mampani kra de the president did not categorically say Adeni existe o yusu something like figurative as figure of speech say ono de any project no ye hu ni say eni aya commission na nya project a existe o green book ni what I say enti say as a host na so obi aba na say o ka at least say o ka ko to mampani pepepe emfa wo meaning enhyem enya say ena nkrofo say I embarrass minister no me I don't see this as an embarrassment. Me hwehwe YouTube no green book nim obi anya ne research medical kire mo baako ukọhwe green book na page 175 of the green book almost 30 say school dan bia yesi no adenta the school dan no eni ho but they mu take pictures they put it in a green book mongo hwehwe there are some roads mo kan even Eastern Corridor road mo de betu artistic impression say Eastern Corridor road the state nini aban ba ye no it was clear say enye no kware. It would have made by me Captain Smart, you know. I will road you know movie am one so now go and check for yourself. So what I say, and you know, Sabi, and somebody be your and yes, ye, but host so more program we nipa, but be also am so more research, kakra, I bet me abo. Minister no or your information minister there by any bibia no be hu. What I say, any bibia no be hu. If it's on no crown information now down no, and crofo and a debia no bedding. Omo ebe update no how an Michael I think say enye bibia no no betumi akọ field akọ ni say I just outside say be hu it enra minister no on your friend is saying you know news far no na sabi entre say ebi asema na minister no kan na wonim no na etre say green book no bibia na wo mu no na exist. Eno kra no those o mampani and stating categorically no enye bibia wo green book ni mu na ye no kware say na exist ebi wo ho a na your artistic impression ye no kware some of the project even airport yi ayeye the na wo green book no na nye completed terminal 3 ene no wo na your artistic impression ene wo it obi go ka say bibi wo ho na your photo ene wo ma on ka abone what as if sade no ne yenye nwie na ewum eti so obi koka se photo we na ya onka abone if say ne yenye nwie artistic impression no na na wo green book nim so what I say me pesa me hwe your friend say root no wo dem ba me hu ama me pesa me hwe na me bo kire mu na mu wi a obi a nkonkoye ne research na onhwe nti green book no enye bibia na wom na no kware those on mampani ankasa but enye bibia na wo green book nim ene na no kware that is a fact even something no so ye an investigation kura na now ye good research here obehu se enye bibia wo green book no na true say ye no kware na exist but minister no ene bia ne nsem bi wo a wo hu ne nsem bi ka ena koba ni say but the fact of the matter is so say enya nneɛma nyina ɛwɔ green book no na ɛne ma state bi akyerɛw no kohɛ green book no page 175 ɔmo ka sɛ school bi yɛsi no adenta the school no sɛ nna ne yɛkɔsi school no wɔ hɔ deɛ I don't know nneɛma bebree nso ɛwɔ mu no ebi wɔ hɔ a na yɛate sick impression ebi nso central region me pɛ sɛ mehu the main way because ɛno ankasa de me ankasa 2016 I shared it on my wall obi di free hot bebree me ma me share ye de me to me wall etwa green book no baabi om sɛ wɔ no ne nipa ne ko video ye any pictures I put it on my wall nti no krampo de na ɛyɛ me pɛ sɛ me hwehwɛ saa Captain Smart ɛyi na ɔyɛ ye no na anka me bɔkyerɛ mu na mu wi a mo ankasa mo nkonkɔhɛ so ati ase nti no enema bi wɔ hɔ asɛbe enye bibia na minister no obehu enye bibia na minister no obehu na mehwehwɛ route no ɔsɛ me hu sadi ka me pese me hu na me de kyerɛ mo bati me hu eti me saa program no ɔyɛ wɔ ayi ɔyɛ wɔ na ɔwɔ adom no ɛna ɔyɛ saa program no but enye ɔno nko a Google crap Google a obehu sɛ expose road a yɛka sɛ exist wɔ green book no mu road no in reality exist ɛwɔ hɔ Google kra obehu wode Google search road that existed in a green book na we are exposed me ya okwa obetuma hu enti no nsɛm a sɛbe yɛkɔ so no sɛ yɛyɛ accurate kakra some of the presenters if say enye bibia na mo betumi hu likewise omo ye ministers no nye bibia na mo betumi hu enti no nsɛm a na ewo ma philosophy so kwachi ye dede ne ayi no it's true say anything that existed ɛwɔ agreement nye nyina na no kware ɛyampa ɛna ayi president nso kura de wanka sɛ sɛbi enema president de ɔno ɔyɛ politician ɔyɛ ɔmampani ɔnkasa basa ba yɛn mu bi no a ɛte abɔnten no enema bi wɔ hɔ a amanfo nso yɛ research amanfo call on the ground na ɔmo nso the information aba sɛbi ɛte sɛ one district one factory wɔ mu a ne bi nso bi aba sɛ wei yɛ kan sɛ wɔ ha yɛn completing new stage say the same thing ɛsɛ accuracy and precision ɛsɛ yɛde yɛ adwuma enti no enema a ɛno ɛsi wɔ hɔ no mimi hu sɛ minister no sɛbi oyɛ bibi a yɛ bɔne ɛnyɛ ɛna nsɛm a na ɔka no ana nkɔfo blame no sɛ yi no yes ɛnyɛ mmiri biara na wobɛnya ne nyina correct na aso no nyame anim no kware ni no nsɛm a ɔmampani kan ɛnɛ sɛ ɛyɛ host no authority ni yi a nkɔbɛhu sɛ ɔmampani asɛm no was figurative na so pɛse sɛ yɛ interrogate the green book na nkasa obɛhu sɛ nneɛma bebree no nso exist ɛwɔ mu so also be research and to say no de aba no am urging all MPP communicators say moti Ghana no modwuma no me no nya modwuma mo ankasa there are so many things am we aban mu you know say it's in the green book that did not and I say exist munim bi come out na every you call mo famra meto abonten na obi anso hu me da ma say